Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound yen is very overlapping and it ended up pushing down again. This definitely did look like a really nice ABC pullback, but then it failed and just ended up going down again. It has not broken daily time frame structure, so I still think there's a good chance it's just a pullback to this last move. Maybe it's just trying to fill this gap right here before it actually does go up and we test this 90% Fibonacci retracement from the weekly time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I personally am still looking at this whole move as a possible pullback within an uptrend. So if it does, make like a double bottom, especially if it happens at a fib level, kind of like what happened over here, then go up and then give you a break of structure, then I definitely would still try it as a long. Like I said, this is a very, very overlapping pattern. Maybe it's going to go all the way down here and fill the gap before it does this. So if it doesn't, break structure to the upside, you could maybe continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. If it does break structure to the upside, whether it fills the gap or not, I would probably try it as a long. Gaps can stay open for a very long time. It doesn't necessarily have to fill all the gap right away. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.